Profile picture korang cantik gila dengan filter, lighting perfect, angle bagus, tapi real life lain cerita. Bila orang nampak gambar tu, expectation tinggi, dan bila tengok live version korang, diorang rasa disappointed terus. Jujur cakap, semua orang pakai filter dalam gambar, tapi takut tu tak ada masa first date. Jadi be real to yourself. 5 minit dalam first date dah tak ada topics. Brain freeze, senyap terus. Takut orang fikir korang boring, tapi sebenarnya dalam hati korang panik. Sebenarnya normal, bukan penanda buruk. Kalau awkward silence jadi, just laugh about it. It's actually cute and relatable, bukannya deal breaker. Makanan tersembur masa cakap atau audio terkeluar. Ketawa sampai snort atau cough at the wrong timing. Semua benda boleh jadi mortifying dalam kepala korang. Tapi jujur cakap, orang akan forget about it. At least buat moment memorable, and even if it's embarrassing, better than boring lah. Sampai restoran tengok menu mahal gila-gila sampai panik dalam hati. Siapa nak bayar? 50-50 split atau one person handle? Card rejected, cash tak cukup, social death tu. Finance topik boleh jadi awkward real fast first date. Just be upfront about budget sebelum choose restoran. Avoid semua awkward situation ni. Takut dia tak serius sama seperti korang. Dalam hati, korang dah plan future, tapi orang lain mungkin just testing the waters. Mereka chill sementara korang already invested emotionally. Takut jadi desperate sambil orang lain tak care. Reality adalah not semua orang will feel the same intensity first date, and that's okay. Not everyone is your person. Tiba-tiba cakap pasal politik, religion ataupun past relationship tanpa meaning. One wrong statement boleh jadi awkward gila atau orang jadi defensive atau accidentally reveal something yang completely turns them off. Stick to neutral topics first date. Deep conversations come later kalau both dah interested. Try hard gila nak impress sampai jadi annoying, atau too quiet sampai nampak uninterested. Finding that balance between keen tapi not desperate adalah art form. You're probably overthinking about this and actual impact. Just be yourself. If they don't vibe with actual you, they're not your person anyway. Tengah makan, tiba-tiba diorang cakap pasal ex atau trauma story yang heavy. Sudden baggage revelation boleh jadi overwhelming, especially first date. You're there to get to know them, not jadi therapist. If diorang dumping emotional baggage first date, then that's actually a red flag for you to watch out for. Halfway through, realize diorang punya vibe is completely different daripada bila korang first met. For example, diorang suka hiking, engkau suka tengok Netflix. Diorang suka party, engkau suka tidur. Realize mid-conversation compatibility zero, but both pretend to enjoy je. That's awkward, but also good reality check. Better know early than waste time finding out later.